Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Mahmoud Addasi from mh@dasi.com. Welcome to my Stack Sales review. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Stack Sales. During this video, I'm going to give you a demo of what is exactly inside of here and how it works. So in a nutshell, Stack Sales is an info and training product that is going to show you a few different methods when it comes to lead generations, list building, and ultimately making money online. It's going to show you how to get 100% opt-in on your opt-in rate on your landing pages. It is actually using retargeting campaigns and JDN campaigns on the Google network to maximize the amount of traffic that you are sending to your landing pages to convert them into sales. So if it sounds like something that you are interested in, stick with me during this video. I'm going to give you more details about this product. I have also put ton of custom bonuses for those who would like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. If you click on that link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page that looks like this. This is going to be live on the 23rd of September, which is today, as of 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where you will be able to go through my bonus page, scroll down and click on any of these red buttons that will take you to the sales page, where you can go ahead and purchase your copy of Stack Sales in this page. Let me show you the key button of where you can purchase your copy of Stack Sales. You will grab your copy from this one. This goes live. This will be activated. Now you will need to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because when it does, all my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something I don't want you to miss out, guys, because I have made these bonuses to let you have the best out of Stack Sales. So bonus number one, here we have you will be getting access to Eclipse, the first 24 hours only. Keep that in mind, guys. Eclipse will show you how to put your videos on the top of the gurus' videos, so you can effectively stealth away the sale from the gurus who are going to be sending traffic to their videos. But your video is going to pop up over the top of their videos. They are effectively sending traffic to your videos. So it's a pretty cool product that will get you the gurus traffic and start making huge profits. Bonus number two, Jono will teach you how he ranked his videos in 2020 and get more traffic in YouTube. Bonus number three, how to create a digital product from scratch. This is important, guys, because you need to create a digital product someday, and you will know, and that digital product will make you a lot of profits. Bonus number four, you will be getting access to Enigma Pro. Enigma is a hack that is going to get you free traffic from Facebook. Bonus number five, you will be getting a special bonus to access all the bonuses that the Stack Sales vendor are giving away. Once you purchase your copy, you will find your bonuses in the members area. So these are to claim all of my custom bonuses and those vendor bonuses 100% free of charge. All you need to do is simply click on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. Come through my bonus page as of 23rd of September at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where this goes live, and you will be able to grab your copy of Stack Sales. Once you have done that, you simply need to visit your Warrior Plus account, click on username, purchase history, and then click on Stack Sales receipt. You will get a page that looks like this, where you can find a blue button that says Access Affiliate Bonus, where you can access your bonus here. So let's take a look at the sales page and see what it says. Stack Sales. Start to build your customer list within 60 seconds without collecting emails. Stop wasting time and save thousands of dollars every year but not using an autoresponder. Get 100% conversion on any squeak page in no time without optimizing the page. Reach your list through multiple channels 24/7 rather than email. This is the sales page, guys. This is the Stack Sales. You can check it on your own time. I'm not going to spend too much time in here. I'm going to jump into the members area and show you around now. This is the members area of Stack Sales. Here we have the method overview, the introduction of Stack Sales, 2 common approaches to sell offers, demand generation, completed lead generation, This is the overview about stack sales, guys. Untold truth is about lead generation cost of the autoresponder. I don't think that they are using an autoresponder here, but I suggest that you do use an autoresponder to jump into these leads and start saving your traffic and making huge profits. Now here we have the stack sales way. You are going stack sales way, which is going to show you how to start using Google AdWords, and it's going to show you how to set up a Google display network campaign, get a much higher conversion rate on your landing pages, increase your conversion rate, your click-through rate, and basically make more money by using this simple image display ads. So you are not going to make any videos or anything like that. You just be able to use these GDN ads, and you will be able to make a lot of money from doing that. So here we have everything, every single method, every upgrades included in the members area. These upgrades I will be talking to you in a minute now. So that's basically everything inside of the members area, and that's everything is going to cost you only $27. That is the front end price of Stack Sales. We have the upsell upgrade. We have the upsell number 1, your personal affiliate money machine, $67, $47 for the downsell. Get our exact blueprint, cheat sheet, tools, and step-by-step training to earn money from day one, even if you are a newbie. Upsell number 2, steal my 40,000 plus list for $147 for the upsell, $97 for the downsell. Get our $40,000 Stack Sales viral list to promote your affiliate product or your own product in MMO niche. One-time fee for the access and sell multiple campaign for lifetime. They will be giving you a 40,000 plus list of traffic that you can use only for $97 for the downsell and $147 for the upsell. Upsell number 3, you will be getting a 10 times done for you affiliate campaign, $97 for the upsell, $67 for the downsell. You will get 10 affiliate review funnel from our team along with done for you traffic campaign setup. This funnel includes a responsive landing page, custom bonuses, etc. Here we have upsell number 4, reseller rights. You will be getting a reseller rights to sell Stack Sales as your own product, and you will get your traffic to the sales page that we have just looked into. And keep 100% commission of the entire funnel instead of 50%. So you don't have to worry about creating create a product by yourself. You will be selling Stack Sales as your own product. Don't forget to check out my bonuses. These are all yours 100% free of charge as part of your purchase, and I'm sure that makes this $27 unbelievable to grab and start making huge money. These are the bonuses that I showed you in the beginning of this video. These bonuses will make you get the best out of Stack Sales. So don't waste your shot, guys. This is your opportunity. So this brings me to the end of this video. I'll speak to you on the next one. See you guys later. Bye bye.